Waddle to the left, waddle to the right. Here come the quirky ducks, oh what a sight. Feathers all fluffy, beaks so bright. They quack all day and dance all night.